So a lot of people are ready to start their YouTube journey, start making content, being productive on here, but they are stuck on one particular thing: topic ideas. What am I going to be telling people? What am I going to talk about? I don't have any ideas. How do I know what I am an expert at? What if and what if and what if? Calm down. Everybody started from the bottom, and at one point of our life we had this struggle, and thank God for today, informations are everywhere. So in this video I am going to be giving you 14 content ideas that you might want to consider talking about when you start your YouTube channel. Good. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Favor Matthew, also known as Smile Maker herself. If you're just seeing this face for the first time, hi guys, hello mama, thank you for clicking, and I hope this video is going to be value for your time. So stay comfortable, relax, and let's get into it. So the first in my list is how-to videos. Yes, this type of videos do very well on YouTube because every day, every time, people are logging into YouTube to either get something new or get clarified on something. Remember, YouTube is like the second most search engine, so how-to videos actually perform very well. There must be something you know how to do very well, maybe as a business or as a hobby. When you incorporate this into how-to video, into teaching people, trust me, it will never go to waste because people are just all about learning new things, and especially if the information is free. People don't joke with free information. So imagine you turning your hobby into something that might likely generate money for you later. Think about it. And this is also a great way to show your expertise in your niche and share a little bit of what you know. You must know something. It's either you know how to bake, how to sell, how to do this, how to do that. Incorporate it into a video. People would watch. Thank me later. The next in my list is comparison videos. No matter what industry you are in, they are products that people are using, probably the same kind of products that are giving the same results, but they are behind the scenes of this particular product. For example, in the makeup niche here, there are some products that are kind of the same prices, they are supposed to do the same thing, but one is better than the other. So imagine if you have tried these two products, you kind of know which is better. So when you compare these two products and give your honest review on how this is better than the other, people are going to watch it, and that is you helping somebody. Not just in the makeup niche, any niche that you are, there are products that are there that should be compared to each other. In that way, people are going to get more clarified, and by so doing, your channel might be moving to the next level. You never can tell. So try a comparison video today. So the next in my list is quite similar to comparison video, but this is reviews. People want to buy something, probably they've been cheated in the past, and they are flocking to social media. They are coming to YouTube, they are coming to Google, they are coming to Instagram just to look for reviews of a particular product they might want to purchase in order not to be disappointed. If you have used a certain product, set your camera, talk about it. This social media, people are deceived a lot when it comes to products and services. So give your honest review about what you think about that product and let people be more clarified on what they are going to expect when they get certain products like that. And review doesn't even always have to be about products. If you notice, when you come on YouTube, there are so many money making channels right now, and they'll be like, okay, if you go to this site, you're going to make $1, you're going to make a whole lot of money just by doing some tags and doing this and doing that. So many people are saying lies, all in the name of content. I know of a channel that actually blew up recently because what she does is that she goes and check out these games or these websites that these other content creators actually talk about, that okay, when you get to this website, you are going to make a lot of money. So what she does is that she goes on those websites and actually try these these tricks to making money, and she finds out that most of them are fake. And what she does is that she comes back to her channel to tell the truth, to give her honest reviews. And trust me, that channel is actually doing very well, because you are opening the eyes of gullible people. You are telling them that don't waste your time, because time is money. Imagine spending hours in a website trying to actually do these tasks that these content creators have talked about, that okay, when you go there you are going to make a lot of money, and somebody that has gone to experience these things firsthand and come back and tell you, don't even waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time. Imagine the value this person is actually giving you. That is the value you get when you set your camera and come out here and give honest reviews, because you are saving a lot of people's time. By so doing, your channel is growing and you are having active subscribers, people that love you, because you're actually coming here to open people's eyes. You understand? The next on my list is screen tutorials. Some people are so introverted, they don't want to be seen outside, they don't want to be seen on social media, they don't want to be seen anywhere. Who said you cannot run a faceless channel and actually be successful at it? Who said? There are a lot of softwares right now that you can use to run a faceless channel, and it is going to be successful. Nobody really cares about your face, trust me. As far as what you are bringing out is giving value, people are benefiting from it. Why not? Create your faceless channels, be bringing out tutorials, how to do this, how to do it. Just be doing voiceover on the videos. People are going to subscribe, people are going to watch, and by so doing, you are growing your channel bit by bit, and you did not have to show your face. Yes, so why not? So the next in my list is case study. For example, you are a business person. Come on here and highlight a solution that you provided for a customer and how this solution actually helped that customer. People are going to trust you. This is like giving some kind of leverage for your business. People are going to patronize you more, and you are also creating an avenue of another source of income, because your channel is going to be growing. Case study, so put that in mind if you're a business owner. Good. So the next in my list is kind of funny, but actually it works, trust me. The next on my list is mistakes. I don't know, for some reasons, I don't know why, people like to hear about other people's mistakes. So why not come out here and say a mistake of what you did wrong and how you rectify it. People might use that as an avenue to, how to avoid something like that, or learn from it and stuff like that. So come out here and do a video like something you wish you knew before now. For some reasons, people find it interesting, so it might actually do very well. Do you get? So the next on my list is going to be advice. There might be this burning advice that you might likely want to give to your friend, your bestie, and stuff like that. It could be advice on how to be a productive woman, how to be a well-valued woman in your 20s, how to make money as a teenager, how to be a good husband, how to be a good wife. Advice topics are countless. You might give an advice based on your niche or anything at all. How to be a better voiceover artist, how to be a better content creator, so many things. There must be something that you want to say somebody that would actually shed more light on a particular topic, and people are going to value such information. It is free and you are giving it, so why would people not love you and subscribe to your channel? Because they want to come and be hearing advices. Because of this advice that you are giving people, some people might even be looking up to you as their role model. You can't tell. You are giving value, you are delivering value, so people actually acknowledge things like that. So that is it for advice. Moving on to the next is going to be unboxing videos. Unboxing videos is actually a very fun video to watch. It's so fun to see a brand new product coming out of a box. People are going to find it quite interesting, and it's more like you giving these people what to expect when they order that kind of product. Do you understand? So instead of you unboxing it personally, how about you set your camera and do that unboxing video and post it? People want to see it, honestly. So that is it for unboxing videos. The next on my list is DIY. DIY videos never ever go out of fashion. Oh my god, it's one of the most interesting videos to watch, and it is one of those very popular kind of videos. DIY videos, they do so well on these platforms, honestly, because when, for example, you bring a Coca-Cola bottle and you are telling people that you can actually turn this Coca-Cola bottle into something else, something beautiful, people are going to be in awe. They'll be like, okay, they might not necessarily want to recreate what you are doing, but that suspense, they want to see how you could actually achieve something like this in using a waste product. Honestly, if you are a creative person, I would love that you focus yourself on DIYs. DIY videos are amazing because you are not just helping people, you are telling people that something like this is possible. Don't waste this thing, because you can actually produce something beautiful out of these things. You are giving people that aura of productivity, and you are broadening their imagination. They'll be like, so something like this can actually work. I personally love DIYs. Trust me, I love to work with my hands. I love to create things. And when you do that, people are going to be like, they'll cause cap for. They'll be like, guy, you are actually so good. Because I see some DIYs and I'll be like, Jesus, I really never thought of this. And you are doing it. You are creative. Oh. When I did my tripod DIY and I was looking at it, in my mind, I'd be like, you mean I actually did this? DIY's videos are so popular, they do so well. So if you are a creative person, I would advise that you start looking at the DIY niche. No matter what niche you are, no matter what you find interesting, DIYs are always available everywhere. Trust me, so you might want to give that a thought. So the next on my list is going to be tour video. If you want to interest your audience with what is visually appealing, interesting, entertaining, engaging, you would want to try tour videos. Gosh, the sky is your limit when it comes to this. You can give a tour of your apartment, tour of your kitchen, even tour of your refrigerator. People want to see how you package this thing. People want to see your style of creativity. They want to see how aesthetic your apartment is looking and stuff like that. If you are somebody that has a lot of decorations, you have this good taste of fashion and rishi that you want to share to the public, you should want to consider doing a tour video. Good. So the next on my list is going to be tools. No matter what industry you are, there must be particular tools that you tag your favorite because of some features they might have that people don't know about. Pick those tools and tell your audience why you prefer them, why they are your favorite, and talk about it. People might likely find interest in that particular tool that you are talking about, and by so doing, you have earned a rank of somebody that can be trusted. You get, because you recommended something useful and somebody might likely want to go and try it out, and it might sound the person's favorite. You never can tell. You get. So that is it for tools. The next in my list is a day in my life. A day in my life videos are so interesting, honestly, because people are naturally nosy. They want to know what is going on in your day-to-day life, so they wouldn't mind if you film from morning till night and show them what you are doing, how productive you can get. So a day in the life video is quite interesting. Probably a day in the life of a college student, a day in the life of a baker, a day in the life of a content creator. There are numerous things to do with a day in my life videos, though this kind of video can be a bit in-depth because you are actually taking people into your personal space and stuff like that. But trust me, a day in the live videos actually makes a lot of sense and gets a lot of engagement because it's quite interesting to watch. You might not be saying anything, just be filming and turn it into a vlog, and trust me, people would watch because they want to know what you're doing with your time. The next in my list is routine videos. This is incredibly popular because people are trying to upgrade their own routine, so they want to come online and see what this person is actually doing, and they might want to incorporate that into their own routine. It might be your night routine, your morning routine, your work prep routine, and there are lots of routines going on, so anything actually goes. So you might want to try something like that, you understand. So the next in my list is going to be channel trailer. This is that kind of video that you just pop in here and say hello. My name is Favor Matthew, also known as Smile Maker. I'm new here on YouTube, so my channel is going to be about this. My channel is going to be about tips. My channel is going to be about fashion. My channel is going to be about, you know, yada yada yada, many things like that or stuff. So that is called channel trailer. This can actually be another great way to start a channel, but personally, it doesn't actually cut for me because duh, nobody knows you, nobody cares. So you might actually want to do that. It might work for you. What works for me might not work for you. What works for you might not work for me. So that is called channel trailer. You might want to consider doing something like that. So with all this said, we have come to the end of this video. I hope it is value for your time, and I'm sure one of these topics might be something you might want to incorporate into your first YouTube video or maybe your next YouTube video. With that said, bye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next content. Bye.